Fine. So basically once we have drawn the lower platform and the upper cube, then there is a rib has been present who is having the lower length of the 20 and it is joining to the upper part of this cube actually. So use your draw command, line command, and draw the 20 mm of the line over here, or simply mark 20 mm of the line over here. So enter the length as in 20 mm like this, and move the cursor on the upward direction and join the triangular way like this. Escape. So once we have done this, again we'll have to mark a thickness of the 10 mm. So we're going to draw the line of the 10 mm. So go to the draw, click on the line command, and from this corner point you can draw the line of 10 mm. So this is your line of the 10 mm. Enter and escape. Similar way you will have to draw the line on the upper portion also. So go to the draw, select the line command. From this particular point draw the line of the 10 mm of a distance. Enter and just join this particular inclined line with each other. This particular line corner point we're going to join it over here and escape. In meantime we'll require the edges over here, horizontal and vertical. So we once again go to the line command and draw the vertical line over here actually, who is having the length of 35 mm. So you can edit the length 35 mm. Okay. Similar way horizontal line we'll have to draw it up to this corner point. So draw that and escape. In meantime whatever the back surface lines are there, that will not be required exactly. So we delete this line. So erase that. Lower line we don't require. Zoom here and use the trim command. So TR and enter. So just move your cursor on this line, so it will going to get trim over here and escape. These two lines are also not been required over here like this. So once again we are using the trim command. So trim like this. So move this particular cursor over this line and trim it. This line is also not been required, so zoom it and right here trim command, quick trim, and just delete that, escape. So like that we can complete this much diagram in the AutoCAD actually. So here the semicircle is there, here the semicircle is there, hole is there, so that we cannot draw in the AutoCAD, in the mobile AutoCAD over here actually. So this much diagram will be possible with the help of the mobile AutoCAD. So try to do the practice of this. Download first image, and by just watching this particular video you can do the practice of this particular problem.